Hi, this is Jeff. I'm here at the Armitage Project, and we've had a lot of progress happening lately, particularly with the masonry. We've had three different mason crews on site finishing up the repairs. They've been doing great work, reusing a lot of the old bricks that had come down in demo. We're really happy about that. Now we're going to take you around the building to see what they've been doing.
Unfortunately, we had to demo the front of the existing building. In its place are these side masonry columns that are going to bookend the new framed structure that's going to contain quite a bit of glass to allow a lot of light and really improve the look. Here in the light well, we added the reclaimed brick all the way to the top of the second floor. At the back of the building, you can see here we have the garage and the in-law suite above. We had to rebuild the wall on the right side to separate it from the courtyard. This wall is going to be a framed wall that will then have veneer brick along the front face of it. Fortunately, we were able to reuse the bricks from demo here also. You can see it really ties in with the existing brick on the side walls. The masons did a really nice job lining up the mortar joints and making it look like it's always been there. On the outside of the in-law suite, we repaired the entire parapet wall at the top and put in a new 4-foot by 6-foot window to really let in the east sun.
So we're really happy with all the progress that the guys have been making. And the next steps we have are going to be finishing the underground plumbing, and then we're going to get to pour the concrete slab. After that, we'll get to finish all the framing, and we'll really be moving.